Hey guys, Brianna here doing your video today. I have got this 2026 GMC AT4 all the way here from Florida. We did the 4-inch BDS with the Fox 2.0 snap ring coilovers. I'll go ahead and get you in here so that you can see that. We also did the preload collar on this one. And then we did have to do a little bit of trimming here on the valance. Did a 3/4 inch bumper spacer kit on this one, and the rough country mud flap delete. We did a 20x10 Fuel Rebel in the black finish, and then it's also got the 35 1250/20 Nitto Ridge. Turned out real good. Let's get you under here. Nice BDS emblem there. Fox shocks on the back. So yeah, there you have it. All right, you guys, that's it for today. Hit that like button and subscribe. See ya.